All right, it's all painted. I've got all the white baseboards on the stairs painted. Took 3 coats of white. Got the side walls all painted. I didn't paint the ceiling white because we don't have enough white paint and don't have enough time. But carpet's disgusting. So we got all that, and then this bed, that Polly, the cat that ran away, she scratched all that up. So we're gonna reupholster that, go get some fabric and redo the whole thing. Probably need to take that out for the carpet guys, but I might just leave it in so they have to deal with it. And then I did the closet. I got the closet. I got a trim to do, but I wanted them to be able to lay the carpet so they can get all that down there. Put some plaster. I need to sand it and paint that, and then just do the trim around the shelves and stuff. Of course, all new outlets, covers up here. I'd like to get the actual plugs and replace them because they're kind of yellowish. There's a view. You can see over in Milliken Woods. Looks like somebody playing frisbee golf. I would suck at that. So that's the upstairs. Got this Chad Reed poster hanging, and then I'll have room for more. And what we're planning on doing is probably putting a sectional couch up here along with the recliner and then the bed. And then I'm gonna get a new 4K, I don't know, pretty big TV, and I wanna make a mount come off that angled wall, and it extends out, and then it'll move back and forth, swivel and stuff, and have that sit out. So if I'm sitting over here on the sectional, I can turn it towards me. But that's the plan. So I'm probably gonna come out with another video next Thursday, probably, showing the new carpet. It's gonna look amazing because this carpet is just so crappy looking. Just so dirty. So I'm not gonna let the cat up here because she pukes all the friggin' time, pissing me off. So, and it's still not insulated up here, so I have a blanket because keep the heat from rising up here, wasting it. But hopefully I'll get insulation blown in at some point.